Hey Josh, how are you doing today?
Fantastic. How you doing?
Fantastic. Yeah, nice hat, man.
Yeah, it's a
You look
pretty
also,
pretty good one.
yeah, you look pretty feminine.
Yeah, everybody has a
You,
feminine side.
yeah, I know. So
Yours
I'm,
looks a little pink, but it looks like Hello Kitty.
in case people are wondering why are we wearing
Well,
weird hat.
apparently
Yeah,
neither one of us understand physics.
right. Neither one of us understand physics, and both of us lost the bet, or we tied on the bet, right?
Yeah.
So, are you ready to remedy that today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can
So
I have?
next week I'm definitely not going to be wearing anything.
Oh, we'll see about that. Okay, but here we go. Here's our ramp. Okay. To avoid some embarrassing things on video next week, which do you pick to win? Now, I want you to be careful. I purposely moved the post back so there's going to be a gap over here. Okay. So we pick the winner and the loser, all right? So what will be your guess?
This seems a little bit tricky.
I know. That's why,
It's
that's
possible
why,
it's possible that the red ball never even gets to the wall till the bottom. I don't know how much speed it's going to pick up. Are these steel balls?
uh, actually, I didn't check, but they're balls.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. Let's check the material.
Oh, maybe the yellow one doesn't even hit the wall either.
I think it's a rubber ball.
Oh,
I think a
it's
yellow one doesn't hit
quite
the ball
quite hard to
either.
tell. I'm gonna guess. So what are we saying? Which ball hits the wall first?
Exactly.
Man, this is really hard.
Yeah, that's what makes it fun.
I think I'm gonna have to go with the red one. I don't even know if the two blue ones are even gonna make it up the second
Okay, so
ramp.
you're gonna go with a red one for the first, and then
Oh, I have to pick a second one too.
pick the last one. Pick the last one, the winner and the loser, just like last week.
I'm gonna guess the last one is the cyan ramp.
Cyan one. Okay,
I
so
think
number
it'll never
one
get
red,
there.
number two cyan. Okay.
Red,
Uh,
red first, cyan last.
red first. Oh yeah, red first, cyan last. Uh, I'm gonna go with yellow first.
Wait, do you already know the answer?
No, I don't.
Oh.
I'm go with yellow first. No, I don't cheat. I actually have no idea what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna go with yellow first, and then I'll agree with you. Cyan last. How's
Okay,
that?
so the only difference is the
The
winner.
first one, yeah. You said red first. I say yellow first. Eh? Okay, let's get it going. Simulation speed. Yeah, let's do 0.75. See. Okay, let's go.
Come on,
Go.
red.
Oh
No!
man.
What?
Holy crap. Lost. Oh, okay. That was hilarious. Wait. Let's do instant replay. This time slower.
Yeah, I think it was a little
Oh,
fast. Who won the dark blue?
I think the dark blue won. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's see.
Wow,
Okay. Oh man. The blue one.
for sure.
Cyan second, yellow third, red last. Oh boy. So wow. We do have to retake our undergraduate physics, perhaps.
Wow, yeah.
So what happened here, huh?
I mean, I'd
I
say it's quite difficult to tell what's going to be the initial velocity, right? But
right, that's right. I
I
think the
guess the
final
initial
velocity is
velocity
really
on
high.
the dark blue ramp is quite high,
Yeah, the initial velocity is very high. Look at that.
and then
So
the light blue as well because
yeah,
of
when it's cyan.
the steepness of the ramp.
Yeah, the steepness of the ramp. So this actually it kills the potential energy as I mean the kinetic energy as it rolls down. But I think that the initial velocity or the momentum really actually pushed it over. This guy is like
It
has a
just
very
rolls too
slow
slow.
start. Yeah. This guy actually rolls faster. I still beat you here, man.
Yeah, but you're
But
still
both of us,
wrong.
I think we have a tie again. Both of us are wrong on everything.
Yes.
It's kind of sad. It's really kind of sad, actually. Oh man, look at that blue ball. Okay. Your red ball's
No,
pathetic.
we were
man.
right about nothing.
Can't believe you guessed the red ball first.
I feel like maybe you cheated and you maybe gave the some ramp some initial velocity.
No, I didn't. I didn't. I seriously didn't. I didn't. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
You're like
I'll
tricking
prove
me
to you.
here.
No, 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 no. Come here. Velocity. I'm gonna freeze it. I'm gonna show you, man. I'm gonna show you, right? Come here, click. Okay, where's the velocities? We'll freeze velocities. Okay, I'm clicking it twice, just like Santa Claus, checking it twice. Gotta find out whose velocity is 0 and who's naughty and nice. All right, let's see. How do we do this? Okay, freeze velocities. All right, so I froze them all. Right, we're just gonna run them again. Yeah, I think the blue gained
So
the
fast.
initial velocity really quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's just a circular
Right.
curve, right?
right. Actually,
Dark blue one?
I learned from you. Yeah, I learned from you that I cut off a circle, but I kind of didn't want that ramp up part. In fact, actually, these two are mirror images of each other, and I
Uh-huh.
kind of lowered it. This is also the yellow is a scaled version of the blue. So it's also like circular, but I kind of like squished it down. This is a straight ramp. This is a straight ramp. This is a straight ramp. So yeah, I was kind of fascinated to see like how would a straight ramp do. So, but in fact, this circloid ramp is actually really fast, which kind of is a brachistochrone curve is the magic curve where we have the fastest travel speed, right? Travel time. And the cycloid is actually a brachistochrone, belongs in a brachistochrone family
Yeah.
in the solution. So I guess this one here really sped up pretty quickly, and we're seeing it. So I mean that's kind of why I chose the second. I mean, sorry, the yellow one, because I thought that maybe this one would help. There's nothing to kind of slow it down, but the initial height is lower than this guy, so it lost on that end.
Yeah.
So all right, so we're gonna continue to do humiliating things in front of screen. Do you want to discuss what we're gonna do?
I don't know, maybe I think I have a couple more hats.
There are a couple more hats. Yeah, I have a bunch more hats too. So
Oh, I'm sure
you know,
you have a lot more hats than I do.
yeah, okay. I even have my wife's hat as a backup. So after I'm done with my daughter's hat, I'll go to the next permutation of my wife's hat. So you better
We
find
can
some hats.
we can
Yeah,
stick with the hat theme next week, but or next video, but eventually we're gonna have to move away because I'm gonna run out of hats.
sure. We'll have to think of something for you.
Yeah, maybe I'll have to start wearing my wife's clothes or something.
That's disturbing, but that's gonna be funny. Let's do that. Alrighty, Josh. I think this was fun, man.
Yeah,
So
very good. You learn something
yeah,
new every day.
exactly. Yeah, I also learned from this, so it's pretty interesting stuff. So we'll see everyone next week in our next video. If you haven't liked and subscribed our stuff, please do help us, support us, give us some encouragement to move forward, create more crazy ramps. I think that soon we have to get away from these simple ramps and make something more complicated.
Yeah.
So yeah, we gotta try that in the future.
Okay.
Thank you for viewing. See you next time, Josh. See you next video.
Bye.